Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back with another quick update. I'm feeling a bit sick today, but today's Wednesday. CPI numbers come out in like 2 hours or so. So my current value is at $16,851. Down $598, and then earned dividends is $85. So I have two buys for tomorrow morning. Still dollar cost averaging into the market. I'm buying SAAP, buying it around $86, and then CAT buying around $174. And the past 2 days, I've been just dollar cost averaging as well. You see here, $90, 190 there that day. So on this day, I put in $40 into SBLK, around $22, and then MPW $50 worth, around $15. And these are all pretty much dividend payers. So yeah, just adding to my dividend paying portfolio pretty much section wise. No long term growth stocks, because yeah, I still think the market's gonna drop. So yeah, just patiently waiting for that. And then yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for an update on my current portfolio. Just still dollar cost averaging. I did up my weekly payouts, or that I'm adding into my account. I believe I'm now adding like $350 every week, because yeah, I think the market's gonna drop soon, so I'm just getting more cash buying power, pretty much currently at $82 of buying power right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe to see what else I'm buying in this stock market portfolio. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.